Hilak palo.
Na-message ko kay Papa.
Apo yan.
I actually wrote a message from my grandfather
Member ang
nung nasa Manila pa ako. Papa, as we stand here today to say goodbye, our hearts feel heavier than ever. The pain of losing you is something words can never truly explain. But even in this deep sadness, we are filled with gratitude. Thank you, Papa, for every single moment that you give us. Thank you for the love that never asked for anything in return. Thank you for all your sacrifices that you made quietly, without complaints. Just so our family could be safe, happy, and complete. You were more than just my grandfather, Papa. You were more than a hero. Our safe place. And our greatest blessing at the same time that you were our grandfather. Your hands may have been rough from our years behind, but they were always gentle when you held our hands. Your voice may not be heard anymore, but your word of wisdom will echo in our hearts forever. You told us to be strong when life is difficult. Lagi mo nga sinasabi sa amin, magpakatag kayo. How to stay humble when life is good. And how to love without limits. Yan lagi mo sinasabi sa amin. We will miss your laughter, mga stories mo before, and your simple reminder to us, especially to all of your apples. The way you called our name, the way you smiled when the whole family was together, and that was a November. And that was our last glimpse at the same time. Those moments now feel like the greatest treasure. If we had known our time, we knew that it was so short. We could have you and hug tighter and told you if you were here physically that we love you. I know that you're still here spiritually, even though you're not here physically, but we love you. Kahit masyado kang tough sa amin. Papa, you built this family with love and your presence, patience and sacrifices. That was, mga bata pa kami. Because of you, we truly dominate our unity now. Because of you, we understand the value of kindness and respect. Your legacy is not just the memories to us. It lives in the way we treat each other right now. And the lesson you taught us right now and then the love that continues to bind us together. Today, as we lay to rest, we do not say goodbye forever, but we would say thank you. Thank you for being our light. Thank you for guiding us. Thank you for showing us what a good man truly is. Though tears fall from our eyes, we found comfort knowing that your love will never leave us. You may no longer walk beside us, love beside us, and we no longer have you with us. But you will always live within us. Rest in peace, Papa. Until we met, we love you more than words can ever express. Today, tomorrow, and for the rest of our life. Thank you, Papa. Yung linggo sa akin, Kristo.